This large bronze sculpture of a cattle drover commemorates the Drive of 89, Montana's centennial cattle drive. It stands outside the visitor center. We paused briefly in Red Lodge, a town that enjoyed a coal mining boom in the late 19th century. A large number of the ethnic groups that settled and built up the town celebrate that period each August with a 9-day Festival of Nations. Hence, all the national flags decorating the street that you see here. The journey between Red Lodge and Cody took us through numerous small communities that were described as towns, but that we would not even bother calling a village. One such town had only 2 families living in it.
In Cody about 10 minutes ago. Dad's getting a shower and I've just popped out to have a look around. Buffalo Bill Village. Buffalo Bill gift shop. From the end of the street we look down Sheridan Avenue, it's the main street in Cody. Granny?